Since April, thousands of migrants who crossed the southern border have been relocated to several so-called sanctuary cities across America. Thousands ending up in our nation's capital. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has sent busloads of migrants to that city, with Arizona officials also joining in. These buses have arrived on a nearly weekly basis in D.C. for months. And now the city's mayor, who has repeatedly asked for help from the federal government, has declared a public emergency. NewsNation's Evan Lambert joins us live from D.C. So, Evan, the mayor says D.C. has been targeted due to the federal government's response to the border.
Nichole, yes, and advocates have really been pushing the mayor here for months to help these asylum seekers. Today, she declared that public emergency, creating an Office of Migrant Services, and that will initially cost $10 million. The first bus of migrants from Texas to D.C. that arrived on April 13th. NewsNation exclusively documenting the journey for one of the latest buses to arrive here in the nation's capital. That was last week. The D.C. mayor saying this new office will meet migrants when they arrive, provide them with shelter, food and resettlement services, and help them get to their final destinations. Mayor Bowser called this a humanitarian crisis, but also pointed the finger at Governors Greg Abbott of Texas and Arizona's Doug Ducey, calling the buses to D.C. and other cities a, quote, political stunt. The governors claiming they want sanctuary cities to see the nature of the overwhelmed southern border. So far, these states have sent nearly 9,400 migrants to D.C., at least 6,500 to New York City, and more than 260 to the city of Chicago. The D.C. mayor even taking a dig at the federal government, making her announcement this morning.
As you've heard me say a number of times, that we, regardless of the federal response, which I think has been lacking in some respects, that the District of Columbia would continue to work with our partners to advance what we need and to make sure that our systems in D.C. are not broken by a crisis that is certainly not of our making.
And Nichole, as you mentioned, the D.C. mayor had asked the Pentagon for support from the National Guard twice in recent weeks. That request was denied. She says that she will be seeking reimbursement from FEMA. Also, Governor Abbott of Texas responding to the mayor's move today, saying in a statement in part, quote, "The true emergency is on our nation's southern border, not in our nation's capital, where small Texas border towns are overrun and overwhelmed by hundreds of migrants every day." Nichole?
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.